So this is actually a Medici, la Grand-Duc de Toscana et mécène Ferdinand I, who's examining his ware, his Tupperware, as it were, and his wealth in gold. And so this was in 1572, a painting that was made by Alessandro Fei. Gold was power, and so the Medicis had power, and this is the workshop where they made his wealth. So, very detailed painting. This is about a book about various precious and semi-precious stones. So, here we have the opal, and of course the stones had all a significance with qualities that they brought. This is a Persian king, Fath Ali Shah, with his crown. This is Muhammad Ali Shah, Qajar. How wonderful that these people had their day, and now it's a different time, We're living in times where everybody can buy gold and jewels and silver and, basically in different times. Louis II de Bavière. This belongs to him. This is industry of diamonds, de bière, en Afrique du Sud. This is before 1870. The diamonds were from India, Indonesia, and Brazil. This is a picture from that time. This is a collier called Tutti Frutti. And this is a ballerina who's wearing it, Daisy Fellows. This is in the Orient, cage à oiseaux. This is the gold cage, symbol of a lot of different things. But I love the way they're more interested in other things rather than the gold. This is the cage d'or. And it is the Qing dynasty, 1735-1796. New jewels came on in the 1920s. This is 1933 actually, with Art Nouveau. This is Cartier, and worn by the Duchess of Windsor. And here she is. this is the crown of Andes. Coron de Andes, with emeralds. Here's a picture of the Virgin Atahualpa. This is an Inca emperor who was wearing the jewelry. 1680. This is when the crown was made. So this here is Nader Shah, another Persian king, whose dagger actually was made with emeralds. Other beautiful things made. This is made of beryl. You would think it's a semi-precious, but maybe it is not a semi-precious. Maybe it's a precious. Then you have the granate. This is Visigoth. And granite. Beautiful things in here. But these here we go into the semi-precious, and this is Fabergé. Eggs. And this is Queen Mary, 1544. And what is interesting is her collier, because the pearl was... Here's Elizabeth Taylor in that role. And then we come to the ladies of society showing off their jewels. You know, haute society, crème à la crème. Crème wearing. Okay. And this is Jace. I don't know what stone that is. This is coral.